Ready to ditch the channel surfing and watch all the action at once? This video will guide you through YouTube TV's Multiview feature, so you never miss a moment. Let's start on your YouTube TV home screen. Multiview options are typically highlighted under the For You tab, especially during big events like March Madness or major sports tournaments. Here, you'll see different pre-selected Multiview combinations of channels. These are usually tailored to popular events happening live. Take a look and find a mix of games that interests you. Simply click on the Multiview option you want to watch. This will instantly load all the chosen channels into one screen. Now you are watching multiple channels at the same time. You will see the video is divided into different quadrants, each displaying a different channel. The audio will default to one channel, usually the one highlighted with a white border. To change the audio, simply click on the channel you want to hear. You can easily switch between the channels by using your remote to select the one you want in focus. This highlights the selected channel. Want to focus on just one game? Select the channel you want and then choose the option that says Watch in Single View. This will bring that selected channel in the full screen. To exit Multiview altogether, just look for the Exit Multiview option in your settings or on screen display. That's all there is to it. With Multiview, you can stay on top of all the live action without constantly changing channels. Enjoy! Be sure to like and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tricks.